Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to increase your Zelle limit. If you've ever tried sending money through Zelle and hit that frustrating cap, you're not alone. Zelle is a fast and easy way to transfer money between bank accounts, but those limits are there for security reasons, set by your bank to protect you from potential fraud. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the steps to potentially raise that limit and make your transactions smoother. First off, why do these limits exist? Banks impose daily or weekly sending limits, often starting at around $500, to safeguard your account. To increase it, the key is to reach out to your bank directly. Start by logging into your Zelle app or your bank's mobile app and checking your current limit. If you need to go higher, contact your bank's customer service, either through their app, website chat, or by calling them. Be prepared to verify your identity. They'll probably ask for things like your social security number, account details, or even proof of address to ensure it's really you requesting the change. Here are the main steps. Step 1. Ensure your Zelle account is fully set up and verified. That means linking your bank account and confirming your email or phone number. Step 2. Gather any necessary information, like how much you want to increase the limit to and why. Maybe you're a small business owner or frequently sending money to family. Step 3. Submit your request through your bank's support channels. Some banks have an online form for this, while others require a phone call. Keep in mind, not all banks allow increases, and it might take a few days for approval. A few tips to boost your chances. Maintain a good standing with your bank, like having no recent overdrafts or suspicious activity. Also, if you're enrolled in additional security features, like two-factor authentication, that could work in your favor. Once approved, you'll get a notification, and voila, higher limits. Increasing your Zelle limit can make life a lot easier for bigger transfers. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.